Hello everyone. Well, it's already been cold for sure, but we're getting another cold front this afternoon. And so yes, it's going to get even colder. And we've still got a snow chance to talk about with this cold front. Now, 8 a.m. this morning, most of us are going to have a dry morning commute. The only place I have to mention the chance for a few flurries, the most northwestern part of the area, maybe around Viroqua, a few flurries are possible. Everyone else is going to be dry, but that is going to be changing. Let's jump ahead to 11 a.m. now, and by this point we're talking about isolated snow showers across the northwestern half of the area. Maybe the opportunity for snow at this point around the Baraboo area, but most still dry. The best chance of snow is going to be during the afternoon hours today. And that's when we're going to be seeing scattered snow showers, so gaps in the activity, but I'd say a better chance that you're going to at least see snow for a little while than miss out. In the early afternoon, it looks to be focused across the northwestern half of the area, and in the late afternoon, it'll be focused over the southeastern half of the area. So looking at homebound commute time, got to mention that chance for snow from Madison on over to Milwaukee, Racine, Kenosha. But if you're in the most northwestern part of the area, it does look like it's going to be a completely dry homebound commute. Now this is the front working over us, so by the time we get to 8 o'clock in the evening, the front will be clear of us and the best chance of snow will be over with, but a broad area of low pressure right behind the front is going to keep the chance for isolated snow showers going through the evening hours, and then some stray flurries in spots through the overnight hours, and I can't guarantee that it's going to be completely dry for the morning commute tomorrow. There could still be a few, and I mean just a few leftover flurries. I think most are going to have a dry morning commute, but see that one tiny little blue dot near Beaver Dam? There is a small chance you could still see a flurry very early tomorrow morning. I do think by 10 a.m. that is it for the snow chance. As far as how much more snow are we going to see, most just probably 1/10 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch, at most 1/2 inch, and then others are probably just going to see a dusting. So now we got to talk about temperatures, because it's not good news. Even today, not good. We're talking about high temperatures for most of us, just in the low 30s. Some in the northwestern part of the area could get stuck in the upper 20s, and it is not going to be feeling this warm. This afternoon, we're talking about wind gusts around 35 miles per hour with this cold front. So look what it's going to be feeling like this afternoon. We're talking about the upper teens for most, no warmer than the low 20s near the lake, and some could see feels like temperatures no warmer than the mid-teens. Look at Viroqua, 16. So plan on it, for most of us, not feeling any warmer than the upper teens and low 20s this afternoon. So how bad is it going to get tonight? Well, these are low temperatures already, like our feels like temperatures this afternoon. We're talking about lows in the low 20s, upper teens. Unfortunately, though, the winds are coming down from where they're going to be this afternoon, but it is going to be staying breezy. We are going to continue to see wind gusts 20, 25 miles per hour, and that includes late tonight and early Friday morning. So when you head out the door early Friday morning, look what it's going to be feeling like. In the western part of the area, we're talking about feels like temperatures in the single digits, and notice not feeling any warmer than about 11, 12, 13 degrees near the lake. And then keep an eye on temperatures in the afternoon on Friday and our feels like temperatures, because very little change. Yes, these are our high temperatures Friday afternoon. We are only going to be warming a few degrees on Friday. So yes, high temperatures, upper 20s along the lake, but look how most of us are going to be in the low to mid 20s for highs, maybe just 18 in Viroqua, and the wind's picking up again. In the afternoon, we're going to see wind gusts around 30 miles per hour, so look what it's going to be feeling like. Friday afternoon, this is as warm as it's going to feel. Notice hardly any change from the morning hours. It feels like temperatures for a lot of us 10, 11 degrees, maybe some getting stuck in the single digits, and no warmer than about 14, 15, 16 degrees right next to the lake.